Now we'll see about freeze and lock properties in layer. So to use freeze and lock properties in layer, simply come here. You'll see a sunshine here. It's known as freeze. Suppose if you want to freeze any materials from here, click here. Sorry, when you are using that layer as a current layer, you will not be able to off that. So to change it, first of all, you have to change your current layer. And now if you want to freeze that layer, just simply click here. You just see the all work associated with dim layer properties are freezed. Again, actually freeze and that option, turn on off layer, are almost same. Now suppose I want to log that work. I want to visible that basic difference between freeze and lock unlock is, if you lock that or unlock that, if you lock it, you'll see your object will be visible but in shadow mode, and you'll not be able to change or do anything with that. Okay, so if I suppose you have a work like you have that two layer at a place. Now you want to separate that circle from that door. Now you have multiple option. Stop the layer and copy it. Otherwise just go here. Otherwise freeze the layer or go for view. Otherwise lock it. Just see, when you lock, you will see that this is visible but it will not be selected. So in this way, come here, select it, move it. Just see, you are able to see that, but you are not able to move or change or do anything with that. So to move, change or doing anything, just simply again unlock it. That's it. So this is the way to use the two tools. So thank you very much.